Hello everyone, how was your paper? So today was your exam. I'm hoping that all of you have done wonderfully well. I'll be taking you through the question paper and the answers. Let's hope your answers are correct. We'll take up all the questions one by one. So please watch the video till the end so that you get the answers to all your questions. So let's start without wasting time. Uh, I'm just leaving these instructions starting with set A. Set A, 40 marks, attempt all questions. Let's start. First question is sex chromosome in human ovum is, it is X chromosome part A. Second question, which of the one is the following is a biodegradable waste, that is flowers, option D. Heart sound DUP is produced when? Option C, semilunar valves they close. Deplasmolysis occur when plasmolysed cells are placed in tap water, option B. Alpha cells of pancreas secrete glucagon, option C. Haploid number of chromosomes are found in sperms, option D. Lifespan of RBCs is 120 days. Statistical study of human population is demography. Pale yellow color of normal human urine is due to pigment urochrome. Option C. Stimulation of nerves of the sympathetic nervous system. They accelerate heartbeat. Option A. Site of light reaction in the cells of the green leaf is grana of chloroplast. It's thylakoid, but thylakoids they stack up to form grana. So grana of chloroplast. The paper used to demonstrate unequal transpiration in dicot leaf is cobalt chloride paper. Option D. Vitreous humor is present between lens and retina. Option B. Oxygenated blood to liver is supplied by hepatic artery. Option A. During the synthesis phase of cell cycle, more of DNA is synthesized. Let's move to question number 2. Name the following. I'll give you the question and the answer. Organelle that forms the esters during cell division, centriole. A genetic disorder in which blood does not clot, hemophilia. The permanent stoppage of menstruation in human females, menopause. Openings on the bark of the trees through which transpiration occurs, lenticels. A gaseous plant hormone which promotes ripening of fruits, ethylene. Next is arrange and rewrite the terms in each group in correct order, and the logic should begin with the term that is underlined. That is important if you have done that. जो underline word है वो सबसे पहले आना चाहिए, उसके बाद बाकी. So A is cabbage, rabbit, snake and hawk. It is a food chain. B is soil water, root hair, cortical cells and xylem, which is absorption of water. C is a receptor, response, spinal cord and effector. D is conjunctiva, cornea, lens and fovea. E is testis, epididymis, sperm duct and urethra. Match the column. Again, as I told you in my videos that they give extra options. Here also they have given extra. Let's see. Hyposecretion of thyroxine in adults lead to myxedema. Hyposecretion of insulin leads to diabetes mellitus. Hypersecretion of growth hormone in childhood leads to gigantism. Hyposecretion of ADH insipidus, diabetes insipidus. Hypersecretion of thyroxine, it leads to exothalamic goiter. Then we have choose the odd one out category and also tell which category do others belong. Others पूछा है. So first is used bandages, pesticides, face masks and syringes. It is pesticides. Others are biomedical waste. Dust, smoke, carbon monoxide and effluent. ये थोड़ा सा tricky है. Effluents आना चाहिए according to me because others are gaseous pollutants. Uterus, urethra, urinary bladder and ureter. It is uterus because others are part of excretory system. Menstrual phase, telophase, follicular and luteal phase. Telophase, others are part of menstrual cycle. Malus, incus, cochlea and stapes. It's cochlea, others are ear ossicles. State the exact location of the following structures. Now herein we need to write thoda sa in detail as in one line each. So thyroid would be in the throat in front of larynx. This I have discussed in my videos as well. Then is dura mater. Now dura mater is dura mater, arychnoid and pia mater. Meninges are in this sequence: dura, arychnoid, pia mater. So dura mater is exactly below the skull, so it should be below the skull. Amniotic fluid, inside the amniotic fluid, inside the amniotic sac. If you have written around the fetus and amniotic sac, that's also correct. Papillary muscles in between the pericardial layers. So you could have written in the layers of ventricles and hold the walls together. Islets of Langerhans, it's inside the pancreas. So itna hi chalega. Next is overall chemical equation of photo. Now we are in section B here. You had to choose questions from here, only 4 questions. First one is overall equation of photosynthesis, very well explained in the videos. A balanced equation had to be written. Mention any 2 functions of blood. बहुत सारे functions are given in your book: homeostasis, transport of substances, clotting, and so on. You could have written any 2. Differentiate between karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis, division of nucleus; cytokinesis, division of cytoplasm. Fourth is excessive use of fertilizers in agricultural field reduce the yield of crops. यहाँ पे आपको बताना था that this excessive fertilizer leads to the increase in concentration of the soil. So the roots, they tend to lose water due to osmosis, and hence the plants they are unable to survive and die. So आपको ये वाला you had to give the reason here. Now study the diagram and answer. Now in the diagram it's clearly visible that phototropism is being observed. Fine. So the phenomena depicted in the shoot of the diagram is phototropism. Which plant hormone plays an important role? That's auxin. Complete and rewrite the given statement and fill in the correct words. Shoot show positive phototropism, whereas roots show positive geotropism because they move downwards. Next is question number 4. Expand the abbreviation, that is DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. What is active transport? अब यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा एक part है which is very important. Movement of the molecules from low to high concentration by utilizing energy. That is important. If you have not written utilizing energy, you may lose marks. Mention the 2 pairs of nitrogenous base which pair with each other with hydrogen bonds. So there are adenine, guanine, cytosine, thiamine. दोनों लिखने थे आपको. Adenine, double bond guanine, cytosine, triple bond thiamine. Next is state Mendel's law of segregation. It's a simple seedha question. Law of segregation states that during the separation or the paired chromosomes, they segregate or separate during the formation of gametes. Neat diagram of sperm, very easy. So I hope you have drawn a labeled diagram. Explain the term population density. Number of people per unit area is known as population density. See the definition लिखनी थी, easy question. Name 2 surgical methods for population control: vasectomy and tubectomy. Mention 2 factors. Acha, here you could have written MTP also if it's mentioned in your books. So you could have written MTP also, medical termination of pregnancy. Mention 2 factors responsible for population explosion in India. Now 2 factors responsible could be for population control. You can write anything: illiteracy, demand for a boy child. So these are all the factors. There are many given in your book. Any 2 would be okay. Name any 2 resources which come under pressure due to rising population. Resources which come under pressure may be the water consumption, food consumption, amount of food required. So all this they are under pressure due to rise in population. Diagram given below depicts the chemical change in the planet Earth. Now it's a pamphlet which is given here. Name the chemical climate phenomena for the increase in Earth's temperature. So the phenomena is global warming, or global warming is led by greenhouse effect. So greenhouse effect is का आंसर आना था. One reason for this warming is increase in pollution or the greenhouse gases. When the greenhouse gases increase, what do? They don't allow the heat of the atmosphere. They don't allow the atmospheric heat to go out. Fine, so it remains inside. So increase in temperature. What measures can be taken to prevent the climate change? There are many measures: cut on pollution, use one car, so on and so forth. There is question number 6. Define the term transpiration. Transpiration, removal of water from the aerial parts of the plant in the form of vapors. State any 2 adaptations of the plant to reduce transpiration. 1, a thick cuticle, leaves reduced to spines, curled leaves, deep sunken stomata. So these are various adaptations. Mention two functions of human fetal placenta. Placenta ka what is the function? Provide nutrients to the developing fetus, provide oxygen, takes in nitrogenous waste. So these are the functions. What is the significance of human testis being located in the scrotal sac outside the abdomen? It gives 2 to 3 degrees centigrade less of temperature for the production of sperms, as the temperature present in the body is much more as compared to compared to what is required for formation of sperms. Neat diagram of Malpighian capsule. In almost all my videos, I've told you that Malpighian capsule and sperm are very important diagrams. So hope you've drawn both. Define reflex arc. Reflex arc is, the reflex action is immediate action performed in response to any stimulus received. Renal cortex has dotted appearance. Renal medulla has striped appearance. Renal cortex is dotted due to the presence of Malpighian capsule in it, and renal medulla is striped because of the presence of the tubular part of nephron in it. Very important difference. What are the two functions of cerebellum? Maintaining posture, walking, keeping body in a balance. So you could have written any. Distinguish, ये थोड़ा सा difficult question है. Distinguish between semicircular canal and utriculus based on their functions. Now in your book, semicircular canals are made. Utriculus and seculus are also made. They are not part of semicircular canal. उससे नीचे present होता है. So their function is different. Semicircular canals, they have fluid present which helps in rotational movement, help in body balance during rotation. Whereas utriculus is basically responsible for static balance. So this is the main difference. Potted plant with variegated leaves kept in dark. Answer the questions. First is, which aspect of photosynthesis has been tested in the above diagram? That chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Second, why the part was kept? To destarch the plant. After the starch test, what will be the color of the yellow part and what will be of green part? Yellow part will remain brown and green part will turn blue black. Why? Give reason भी लिखा है इसमें, तो reason भी आपको देना है that the yellow part lacked chlorophyll, so there was no photosynthesis, hence it did not change color, whereas it did not have starch, so did not change color with iodine, whereas green part, it had chlorophyll, performed photosynthesis, had starch, that's why it turned blue black. Define mutation. Mutation is any change in the genetic makeup of an individual. Now next we have Mendel's cross, monohybrid cross hai. It says that pea plant with RR is crossed with pea plant with small r's. So draw Punnett square. यहाँ पे एक monohybrid cross बनना था RR के साथ. Genotypic phenotypic ratio बताना है. Genotypic ratio is 3:1. Phenotypic ratio is 2:1. Am I correct? Yes. Okay. Okay. Again, phenotypic ratio is 3:1. I'm so sorry. 3 are tall and 1 is small. Okay, so phenotypic ratio is 3:1. That is 3 pea plants with capital R's and other is small r. And genotypic will be 1:2:1. The leaves of certain plant roll up on sunny day to check on the transpiration taking place. Give reason by suitable examples. So you can write, you could have written that when the leaves are straight, so more of transpiration takes place. As they roll up, stomata are closed, stomata are hidden, so less transpiration occurs. What is a semi-permeable membrane? A membrane which allows only certain substances to pass through it. Name a semi-permeable membrane in plant cell, that is cell wall. Sorry, cell membrane. Cell wall is freely permeable. Diagram depicts one phase of the heart. So this would be ventricular, it is contracting. So it is ventricular systole because the arrows are moving up. So which part of the heart is contracting? Ventricles are contracting. Give a suitable reason to justify. Now you can easily give, you could have given the reason that the arrows are moving up. That means the ventricles are pushing the blood. So that's why they are contracting. Next is distinguish between systole and diastole. So systole is a phase of contraction and diastole is a phase of relaxation. So these were your answers to the questions of today's paper. Hope you all have given correct answers. Hope you all come out with flying colors. My best wishes are with you. Now you are free from 10th board. Enjoy your journey ahead. The ones who are opting for biology in grade 11th, please stay tuned with me on the NEET channel. There I'll be covering 11th and 12th. And the ones who have opted for some other subjects and will be going for some other subject apart from biology, please share my channel with your juniors so that they can also benefit for grade 10th, 11th and 12th. So please like, share and subscribe the channel and share it as much as possible. Thank you so much.